Hello and welcome to The Explainer. Okay, let's dive into the latest intelligence from the AI frontier.
This week's newsletter paints a clear picture: rapid, multifaceted change. So let's break down what that means.
First up, we're looking at two big developments that are pushing the boundaries of what's even possible.
On one hand, AI is getting way more diverse in language. On the other, it's becoming more physically capable.
Now let's peek under the hood at the foundational research that's going to power tomorrow's applications.
For example, in-context learning helps AI generate complex visual effects on the fly. It's incredibly efficient.
Then there's spatial reasoning. It lets AI understand spaces using sight and sound, almost like we do.
And new tools are tackling data prep, the crucial but kinda unglamorous work that makes or breaks models. And the pace is just relentless, spanning climate science, agent collaboration, and even hardware efficiency.
So, how does this cutting-edge research actually translate into real-world impact? Let's dive in.
Okay, one huge area is nutrition. AI is now being used to analyze data to prevent health crises.
And in manufacturing, AI is smashing bottlenecks. Think faster, more accurate chip verification for semiconductors.
The ripple effect, it's accelerating progress everywhere, especially in electronics and the automotive industry.
It's also tackling complex human challenges, like standardizing psychiatric diagnoses for more consistent patient care.
All right, let's pull back to the 30,000-foot view. How does this all fuel a major economic shift?
A McKinsey report frames generative AI not just as a tool, but as a fundamental productivity driver.
The potential economic value here is staggering. We're talking trillions. A massive wave of value is coming.
But with this potential comes huge responsibility. Stanford's HAI is calling for AI for the public good. This brings up the key strategic questions: policy, investment, and balancing innovation with society's needs.
So the big question is, as AI becomes this new frontier, who ensures it's built for everyone?